Hi everyone, this is another video about spinners, and in this case they are called ring spinners or spinner rings that utilizes the 6700 series bearings. This one is 6704. The diameter of this is 4 millimeters by 27 millimeters, and inner diameter is 20 millimeters. This is useful for the ring finger of the average size males, and 6703 is suitable for ladies' ring finger. The height is 4 millimeters and the inside diameter is 17 millimeters and the outer diameter is 23 millimeters. So it's good for males' finger, just to spin them round like this. But what are the other stuff that you can see on the table? Actually, these are the timing belts of my old printers that I salvaged. These timing belts, and I cut them and I stuck them together according to the sizes of my bearings. I had two colors. I think the gold is really nice, or orange is really nice, and the black. But the orange has a little bit of pitch. I think a 2 millimeter or 1 millimeter pitch. So the pitch means, that is a little bit at an angle, the teeth of the timing belt. And this one is just a straight, no timing pitch on the teeth. So this is more uniform, but it's ordinary black. And the way I glue them together is like this, because they are really hard to glue them together. So I cut them to size and then put a sellotape underneath them, and then with these alligator clips I secure them and then drop a small amount of super glue in the middle. And this sellotape is also for the purpose of not messing up the other side. And this one is done now. I'll show you. It's cured now and it's ready to use. Well, these you can use it even as a rings on your finger. It's plastic and it's very durable and it's nice anyhow. So you put this aside and I show you how I done this. For instance, this is the one 6703 that I put a timing belt around it. This is the orange one or the gold one, and this one is the black one. I use them both together like so to spin them round, and you can use your middle finger to just spin them, or your thumb to spin them even faster. So it's very good fidgeting spinner. And these two, this is just for the finger. Unfortunately it doesn't fit properly on my pointing finger, but it fits perfectly on my ring finger. It's good, something to, fidget with. I just wanted to show you this series of bearings, 6-7 series, and just maybe you might want to use them, because I am growing out of the normal spinners, fidget spinners, because they are big and so on. And with these, you can fidget them in many ways, and they are very small. You can put them in your pocket, you can carry them around your fingers and do this all day long. And maybe you can use it without the timing belt on the top, but I prefer a little bit of grip. So this was a short video about my ring spinners and how I managed to make them the ordinary bearing to a better looking ring finger. So until my next video, take care of yourself and each other, and see you on my next video. Have a great spinning time.